Hey there, fellow food lovers. Today we're taking a trip down memory lane to whip up something that's as comforting as it gets. The classic grilled cheese sandwich. Whether you're brand new to the kitchen or just looking to perfect your technique, this video's for you. And, let's be honest, grilled cheese is like the culinary version of a warm hug. Who doesn't want that? Remember when grilled cheese was the ultimate after-school snack? I swear, the best ones always came from Grandma or whoever was on sandwich duty at home. Let's recreate that magic today, step by step. All right, here's what you're gonna need to make this masterpiece. Bread, white or sourdough, works great. Butter, the real stuff, not margarine. We're going for flavor here. And of course, the star of the show, cheese. I'm using cheddar, but feel free to mix it up with Swiss, American, or even a combo of both. Tip: the cheese should be something that melts well. Cheddar, American, or Monterey Jack are classics because they give you that perfect gooey center we all know and love. No one likes a grilled cheese with sad, unmelted cheese in the middle. That's a snack fail. Next up, we butter our bread. Here's the key: butter the outside of the bread, not the inside. That's right, the buttered side will be the one that crisps up in the pan. This is what gives you that golden, crunchy perfection. And don't be stingy with the butter. This is grilled cheese, not a salad. We want that bread to get nice and crispy. Think of it as your sandwich's suit of armor. It's protecting all that gooey goodness inside. Pro tip: let the butter soften a bit before you spread it. Cold butter will tear the bread, and nobody wants a torn sandwich before it even hits the pan. Now comes the cheesy part. Lay your cheese slices on the unbuttered side of the bread. Make sure they cover the bread completely, edge to edge. This guarantees every bite is cheesy goodness because, let's be honest, the cheese is why we're here. And if you're feeling bold, you can always double up on the cheese. I mean, when has anyone ever said, "Wow, this grilled cheese has too much cheese"? Yeah, that's never happened. All right, it's pan time. Set your stove to medium heat and let the pan warm up a bit. You don't want the pan screaming hot. Grilled cheese is all about the slow, even cook. If the heat's too high, the bread will burn before the cheese has a chance to melt. Essential tip. Here's a trick. Hold your hand a few inches above the pan. If you feel a gentle heat, you're good to go. Too hot? Lower that burner. Too cold? Crank it up just a smidge. Time to cook. Place your sandwich buttered side down in the pan. Now, here's where the magic happens, but we've got to be patient. Let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side. No peeking. Resist the urge to flip too soon. You want a golden brown crust, not a pale, sad sandwich. And hey, while it's cooking, here's a little fun fact. Did you know that grilled cheese dates back to the 1920s when sliced bread and American cheese became popular? It's basically been fueling happiness for 100 years. Step 6. Flip. The moment of truth. All right, it's time for the big flip. Use your spatula to gently flip the sandwich and admire that crispy golden perfection. This is the moment where you know you're nailing it. If you nailed the flip without cheese or bread falling apart, congrats! You're officially a grilled cheese master. Give yourself a high five. Or, just a happy dance. No judgment. Step 7, the cheese meltdown. Let the second side cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. You're looking for a crust that's as perfect as the first side. The cheese should be melting beautifully inside. This is the moment you've been waiting for. And if you see a little cheese oozing out and crisping up at the edges, bonus points. That crispy cheese is like the golden ticket of grilled cheese. Seriously, It's the best. Step 8. Serve and relive your childhood. Once both sides are perfectly golden and the cheese is ooey gooey, slide that sandwich onto a plate. And yes, you must cut it diagonally. It's a rule. Something about that triangle just makes it taste better, right? That, my friends, is a grilled cheese masterpiece. Does this bring back memories or what? Whether you're eating this while watching cartoons or serving it up for a quick lunch, grilled cheese is the ultimate comfort food. And there you have it, a perfectly crispy, melty, childhood throwback grilled cheese sandwich. Whether you're 8 or 80, this is the kind of snack that never gets old. Thanks for joining me today. If you love this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly recipes. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a grilled cheese to finish. Catch you next time.